Today we're going to be adding numbers vertically with double digit numbers. So we have 1, 2. That's all we're thinking about. We just have 2 digits. Now, when we're thinking about vertically, we're thinking about up, down. Not only that, we're also going to go ahead and simply go ahead and add from our ones placement first, ones, and then we have to go ahead and add from our tens placement after. So this would be my ones placement, and then my tens placement comes after. It's going to be the exact same thing for every single one of them. You're going to be adding the first digit, and then you're going to be adding the next one. It would be the same thing even if they gave us a massive amount of numbers, a massive list of numbers. We're always going to be adding the ones placement, and then we go to the tens placement. How is that going to go ahead and look? Backtrack a little. Here, I'm going to go ahead and add 0 and 5. I just go ahead and think about this from my ones placement, and I add it together, and I get 5. Here, I add on my tens placement 1 plus 1, and I get 2. After that, same thing over here. Just to remind ourselves, we're going to be adding these from the ones placement first. I'm going to go ahead and say 2 plus 5 is going to go ahead and be 7. And then on my tens placement, I add it once again from top to bottom, 1, 2, and then I go ahead and add to get 27. So my answer is going to be 27. Now, this is a tricky one. What happens if there is a value missing right here? If you have a value missing, you can either choose to draw a box, a 0, whatever makes you feel more comfortable, but this is simply representing that there is no value here. There's nothing to add. So you don't have to worry about this space. You can simply think about this as a 0. Now, that means that my tens placement has a 0 on it right here. All we have to do is simply add 1 and 5, and we go ahead and have 6 for my ones placement. For my tens placement, since I do have a 0, I'm going to go ahead and incorporate the 0. 0 plus 1 is simply going to go ahead and be 16. Last one, without writing any notes on it, we're going to go ahead and say 3 plus 5 is going to go ahead and be 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. Awesome. And there we go. That's a free 100. Good job. Thank you for following along.